in the kitchen we're going to be learning how to make macaroni cheese. I'm going to get the ingredients all ready so you know how to do it. What is a big scoop? Kids are watching this. You must have an adult supervising when you use scissors because you might actually cut yourself by accident. I'm going to make the cheese sauce first, and then I'm going to boil the pasta, and then I'm going to mix the two together. First off, you melt the butter, and then wait till it's fully melted. You can do it with either hand, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to do it with my left hand, because lucky for me, I am ambidextrous. If you don't know what that means, it means you can use both hands for anything. As soon as it's fully melted, add in the flour. Don't add it all in at once. Careful not to splash it everywhere. Now you add in some milk. Slowly add little bits of milk in at a time. I'm going to boil the water so I can cook the macaroni. As soon as the sauce is like this, then you know when it's time to add the cheese. And there you go. You have homemade cheese sauce. Your water should be boiled, and now you know to add in the macaroni. Always have an adult nearby. I've put the lid on, so now I can leave to let it boil for 10 minutes. Pasta's ready. I'm gonna drain it. Time to mix it all together. Now it's ready to serve. You can add salt and pepper, mustard, vegetables, chopped up bits of bacon or sausage, or whatever you want to add. The sauce is really nice and creamy. Pasta's fully cooked. Perfect. Thanks for watching this episode of Cooking in Kids' Kitchen. Bye.